MKT Tik Pro is a powerful software designed to help users manage and operate multiple TikTok accounts automatically, making it especially suitable for sellers, content creators, and teams building large-scale TikTok channel systems. Instead of manually uploading videos to each account every day, which is time-consuming and inefficient, MKT Tik Pro automates the entire video posting process, ensuring speed, consistency, and scalability. After you log in your TikTok accounts to the software, simply switch to the video posting feature and prepare your video library on your computer. At this step, you select the folder path containing your videos, then preset titles and hashtags for each video using a structured formula to improve discoverability and reduce content duplication. Next, you configure the posting settings, such as the time interval between consecutive videos, the number of videos to upload per session, whether duplicate videos are allowed, and other advanced options. Once everything is set, just click Start, and the software will automatically upload videos according to your predefined schedule. Automatically posting videos to multiple TikTok channels allows you to expand content reach, quickly test which videos perform best, increase posting frequency, reduce labor costs, and build a sustainable TikTok marketing system without the need for daily manual work.